Looking to upgrade your driving experience with a high-tech car mirror video player? Whether you want better navigation, entertainment, or enhanced safety features, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best car mirror video players that offer the perfect blend of innovation and convenience. All the product links are listed in the description below, so check them out for the latest prices and details. Now, let's dive in. Top 5 best car mirror video players. Top 5. DIYSECUR 7 and 26. The 7-inch LCD monitor is designed to deliver clear and vibrant visuals with its 16:9 display mode, making it ideal for various applications such as security systems, vehicle monitoring, or multimedia playback. With a resolution of 800H by 480V, it ensures sharp image quality, while the brightness of 300 cm² and contrast ratio of 300:1 enhance clarity in different lighting conditions. The monitor operates on a nominal voltage of 12-volt, 24-volt DC, making it versatile for both automotive and indoor use. Its power consumption of just 6 watts ensures energy efficiency. The dual video input feature allows users to switch between 2 sources conveniently, making it a practical solution for multi-input display needs. Users can control the monitor via monitor buttons or a remote control, offering flexibility and ease of use. Designed to withstand various conditions, it operates within a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and can be stored safely between 9 to 20 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring durability and reliability. Furthermore, the PAL-L NTSC auto-switching system makes it compatible with various video formats, enhancing its usability across different devices. Whether for vehicle use, surveillance, or multimedia purposes, this monitor offers a compact yet powerful display solution. 4. DIYKIT 7-inch. The DIYKIT 7-inch AHD IPS LCD Car HD monitor is a high-quality rear-view monitor designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. Featuring a 7-inch IPS LCD screen, this monitor delivers crisp and clear visuals with high-definition resolution, ensuring a sharp display even in bright daylight. It supports 1080p AHD and CVBS camera inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of AHD and CVBS cameras. The 4-pin video input ensures a stable and interference-free connection, providing a seamless viewing experience. With a wide viewing angle and vivid color reproduction, this monitor allows drivers to see their surroundings clearly, reducing blind spots and enhancing parking accuracy. The durable and compact design makes it ideal for various vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, and trailers. It also features an easy installation process, allowing users to set it up quickly without professional assistance. The automatic switching function ensures that the rear view camera activates instantly when reversing, providing real-time footage to prevent accidents. Whether used for parking assistance or general surveillance, the DIYKIT 7-inch AHD IPS LCD Car HD monitor is an excellent choice for drivers seeking high-quality visuals, reliability, and ease of use in a rear-view monitoring system. Top 3. BQCC B5300. The BQCC 7-inch portable car MP5 player is a versatile and feature-packed vehicle stereo system designed to enhance your in-car entertainment and connectivity. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, it seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, allowing hands-free access to navigation, calls, messages, and music. The 7-inch high-definition display supports MirrorLink, enabling you to mirror your phone's screen for a more interactive experience. Bluetooth connectivity ensures crystal-clear calls and wireless music streaming, while the FM radio function lets you tune into your favorite stations. This unit also includes USB and TF card support, providing multiple options for media playback. One of its standout features is the reversing image function, which automatically activates when you shift into reverse, offering a safer parking experience. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to install and transfer between vehicles, catering to those who frequently switch cars. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, ensuring a user-friendly experience for drivers of all levels. Whether you want to upgrade your car's audio system or enjoy a safer and more connected drive, the BQCC 7-inch portable car MP5 player is an excellent choice that combines entertainment, convenience, and safety in one compact device. 2. hippcron SINOVCLE. The hippcron SINOVCLE 7-inch car monitor screen is a high-quality rear-view camera system designed to enhance vehicle safety and parking convenience. Featuring a 7-inch HD digital TFT LCD screen, this monitor provides clear, sharp images to help drivers navigate and park with confidence. With two-way video input, it allows users to switch between different camera views, making it suitable for various vehicle types, including cars, trucks, RVs, and trailers. The 9-volt 36-volt wide voltage compatibility ensures that it can be used with a range of vehicles, offering flexibility and reliability. Its high-resolution display delivers crisp visuals, ensuring better visibility even in low-light conditions. The rear-view camera system aids in avoiding obstacles, reducing blind spots, and preventing accidents while reversing or parking. The TFT LCD screen provides a smooth, clear image without distortion, improving the overall driving experience. The system is easy to install, making it an excellent choice for both personal and commercial vehicles. Whether used for daily driving or long road trips, the hippcron SINOVCLE rear-view camera system offers peace of mind and enhanced safety, making parking and maneuvering more efficient. This versatile and durable parking system is a must-have for any driver seeking improved visibility and security. 1. srnubi 1026. The srnubi 10.26 dashcam 4K car mirror video player is a feature-packed rear-view camera and multimedia dashboard monitor designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. With its 10.26-inch touchscreen display, it provides a clear and wide view of the road, minimizing blind spots while offering real-time footage. The 4K Ultra HD resolution ensures crisp, detailed recordings, making it easier to capture license plates and important road details in case of incidents. This smart dashcam also supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration for hands-free calls, navigation, and music streaming. The built-in GPS tracking provides real-time location updates, ensuring better navigation and trip history logging. Equipped with a high-quality rear camera, it enhances parking assistance with a clear rear view and night vision capabilities for better visibility in low-light conditions. The multimedia rear view mirror also functions as a media player, making long drives more enjoyable. Additionally, it includes loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and parking mode monitoring, ensuring 24/7 security for your vehicle. With its easy installation and wireless connectivity, the srnubi 10.26 dashcam is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-tech, all-in-one dashboard camera solution for their car. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best car mirror video players. I hope this video helped you find the perfect one for your ride. If you're interested in any of the products we mentioned, check out the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss out on more awesome product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.